My name is Simon Field. I'm an advisor to the NGO Besi Pae based in eastern Indonesia. What we're working on is technologies and interventions with communities that they've been working on for centuries. They have been planting trees. They have been looking at ways to conserve water. The challenge is how we scale up these interventions. And so we've been looking at the carbon market as a possible source of income to help scale up the technologies and interventions farmers have developed. Through the carbon market, farmers are entering climate mitigation strategies to reduce the amount of carbon emissions. So all our approaches is working very closely with the communities. The farmers, the women, fully understand what trees and crops are suitable for their production system and what they need to work. That's where the UNDP support has been very significant. We've been able to use that funding because we need to have close engagement with the communities. We ensure that there is free, prior and informed consent. The communities are making their own decisions. Communities are now certified to receive carbon credits, and that's where we'll be able to work with these communities to plant the trees they want in the areas they want and to protect the areas they need to protect.